In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Ehlers Instantaneous Trend Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator added to your chart, customized to your liking, and ready to use in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market or time frame you're looking at, the process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It usually sits near the toolbar with options for timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on indicators to open the indicators window. When the indicators window appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click into that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now type Ehlers Instantaneous Trend into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results. You're looking for the built-in version of the Ehlers Instantaneous Trend Indicator. Once you see it in the list of results, click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. At this point, you should see the Ehlers Instantaneous Trend lines displayed either over your price chart or in a separate pane, depending on how TradingView loads it by default. To get the most out of it, you'll want to adjust the settings so they fit your personal trading style and make the chart easy to read. To do that, hover your mouse over the indicator's name on the chart, then click on the settings icon. This opens the settings window where you can adjust things like the length, any smoothing options, and the colors and line styles. If you're just starting out, you can leave the default inputs as they are and focus on visual clarity. For example, choose colors that stand out clearly against your chart background and consider making important lines slightly thicker so they're easy to see at a glance. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK or Apply, and your customized Ehlers Instantaneous Trend Indicator is ready to go. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more tools and a smoother experience, use the link in the video description to sign up. That way, you can follow along exactly as shown and start incorporating this indicator into your trading workflow.